Welcome to the show, everyone. I'm going to be talking about Lishi picks and just what locks they will pick individually. Stay tuned. Welcome to the show, everyone. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. We are going to be talking about the Lishi brand picks. And I'm going to pick all these locks individually with Lishi brand picks. These are all different makes and models. I put them in a padlock that can take different keys, different keyways, different cylinders. So this is an LA Sargent. This is a Yale. This is the same lock right here, a Schlage SC4. This is a Schlage SC1. Got an American lock. I'm going to pick all these locks, including regular key and knob. This is a Yale Para. So this is a really tough lock to pick. Lishi goes right through it. Takes about a minute and a half. The Sargent LA in a mortise. Schlage SC, just the 5-pin keyway, key and knob, and the same in a mortise. You are going to love this, guys. You're going to see how I can get right through every one of these really tough locks. So simplistic with the Lishi picks. I've got my new stands, all my rubber stands. You're going to love seeing these in action. Also, I bought a mic stand. I'm going to show you how you can pick locks in that stand as well. We have our Pana vise, which is a great vise. I modified it with Friction Works vise jaws. See how I can pick all these locks. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to tell you each Lishi pick and what lock it will get through. No one has talked about that, and you're going to see these are the US Lishi picks, and I can pick through all these locks, and these are all different makes and brands. So stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of fun in the next couple of weeks. Smash the like button. And I'll have more door and lock tips like this. Gorgeous Lishi stuff coming your way. Thanks again, guys. I've been wanting to do this for maybe a year. All the different USA Lishi picks. They'll go through the majority of U.S. brand locks, but it's taken a year for Lishi to step up to the plate, make their picks so they'll work with U.S. locks, and you're going to see just which Lishi U.S. picks will work with our U.S. locks. You know, they've got all kinds of car locks, but what about the U.S., just the padlocks or house locks or commercial locks? What will they open? Even mailbox locks. I have all the locks, and I'm going to show you exactly what they'll go through. So stay tuned. Please tell your friends, and I'll have a big in-depth video of this. Thanks again, guys. There's no less than 15 individual lock brands, makes, and models that the U.S. Lishi picks will go through. So I'm going to show you exactly which one goes with which lock and a list so that you'll know which picks to buy. Stay tuned. It's coming up in the next couple of weeks.